Which stand mixer is actually good for bread dough? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 options that really deliver on their promises.
Product number 1, Kitchen-in-the-Box Stand Mixer in black. Priced at around $66.47. What caught my attention was its compact design and the fact that it's super lightweight at under 7 pounds. If you're looking for an affordable mixer for small batches, this is worth a serious look. This mixer has a 3.2 QT capacity, which is just right for a couple or a small family. The tilt head design means you can easily access the bowl to add ingredients. No more awkward reaching. Plus, it features 6 speed settings, which can handle everything from mixing bread dough to whipping cream. The 4 anti-slip suckers on the base keep it steady while you mix, which is really helpful to avoid any mess. Now, some people mention that it might not handle large batches well. Here's the thing though, if you're a casual baker or just starting out, this smaller capacity might actually be a blessing. It's less intimidating and perfect for experimenting without waste. This is perfect for you if you live in a small space or are just getting into baking. Skip this one if you plan to bake for larger gatherings frequently, but for the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if the Kitchen-in-the-Box's smaller capacity worried you, the next one might be a better fit.
Product number 2, Kitchen-in-the-Box Stand Mixer, blue. We have the same Kitchen-in-the-Box stand mixer, but this time in blue, also priced at $66.47. It's literally identical to the block version, so why does it deserve a spot? The color options add a fun pop to your kitchen, and it retains all those features that make it beginner-friendly. Just like the block model, it has a 3.2 cubit bowl and 6 speed settings. The tilt head design makes it easy to add ingredients, and the anti-splash lid keeps your kitchen mess-free. The standout here is definitely the aesthetic appeal, if you want something that complements your kitchen decor. However, a few users found it a bit underwhelming for tougher doughs. But honestly, if you're making lighter breads or pastries, this mixer shines and you won't have a problem. This is perfect for you if you want a little flair in your cooking space. Skip it if you're planning to tackle heavy bread recipes regularly. For the price, you're still getting great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for handling thicker mixtures.
Product number 3, Hamilton Beach Classic Stand Mixer. Let's talk about the Hamilton Beach Classic Stand and Hand Mixer. Priced at $62.95, this one caught my eye because it's essentially 2 mixers in one. If you're short on space, this can really help you out. It has a 4-quart capacity and comes with 5 attachments, including dough hooks and traditional beaters. The powerful motor at 290 watts means you can easily mix thick doughs without any issues. Plus, the bowl moves side to side for thorough mixing, which is something I didn't expect at this price point. However, a few users pointed out that the hand mixer can feel a bit flimsy. I'll be real with you, if you're rough on your appliances, this may not hold up as well, but for light to moderate baking, it's a fantastic buy. This is perfect for you if you want one mixer to do it all, especially if you have limited counter space. Skip this if you're a heavy-duty baker who needs something more robust. It's a steal for the versatility it offers. Now, if you want something a bit more powerful, this next option definitely steps things up a notch.
Product number 4, Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. Priced at $139.99. Right off the bat, its 300-watt motor means it's built for serious baking. This mixer handles everything from thick dough to meringues with ease, perfect for those who love to bake often. With a 4-quart stainless steel bowl and a splash guard, it's designed for convenience. The planetary mixing action ensures that every ingredient gets mixed thoroughly, which is super important for even baking. And it features 7 speeds, including a slow start for kneading dough without the mess. However, some users found it a bit bulkier than expected. Here's the thing, if you have the space for it and often bake in larger quantities, the power and efficiency will outweigh the size concern for you. This is perfect for serious bakers or anyone looking to step up their baking game. Skip it if you're just dabbling in baking and prefer something more compact. You'll definitely get your money's worth here. Now, if you're looking for something with even more capacity, the next product might just be your dream mixer. Product number 5, Martha Stewart 5.3 Cute Stand Mixer. Priced at $148.51. This one caught my attention because of its larger capacity and gorgeous design. It's ideal for anyone who loves to bake in larger quantities, like for family gatherings or holiday baking. Its 5.3-quart stainless steel bowl can handle up to 9 dozen cookies, which is impressive. It features 12 speed settings, providing precise control for any mix of task, and a removable splash shield to keep your kitchen clean. The tilt head design allows for easy access, which I genuinely appreciated while using it. But some users noted that it can be a bit noisy at higher speeds. Honestly, if sound is a concern for you, it might be a drawback. Still, if you prioritize power and efficiency over a little noise, this mixer is a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you bake in large batches or need something that can handle a variety of textures. Skip this one if you prefer a smaller, quieter model. For what you're getting, it's a solid investment for serious bakers.
We had the kitchen-in-the-box mixers for compact living, the Hamilton Beach Classic for versatility, the Hamilton Beach Electric for power, and the Martha Stewart mixer for larger batches. Each has its strengths, so it really depends on your baking needs. Whatever you choose, happy mixing.